Friends, how do we identify he has a ball or he had a ball? How these words used and how we use in these sentences. Let's start. Has, have and had shows the possession. ये किसी चीज़ की मलकियत को शो करती हैं. Has and have used when we talk about present. जब हम प्रेजेंट के बारे में मौजूदा हाल के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं उस वक्त हम हैज़ और हैव यूज़ करते हैं. हैज़ इज़ यूज विद ही शी इट और सिंगुलर नाउन. हैज़ को हम ही शी इट और कोई भी सिंगुलर नाम होगा या कोई भी सिंगुलर नेम से रिलेटेड चीज़ होगी उसके साथ यूज़ करेंगे. हैव इज़ यूज्ड विद आई वी यू दे और प्लूरल नाउन. और हैव को जो है आई वी यू दे और प्लूरल नाउन यानी कि जमा जो नाउन होंगे इसम होंगे उनके साथ इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. हैड इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट पास्ट. हैड उस वक्त हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम माजी के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं, किसी चीज़ के गुजरे हुए टाइम के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. और हैड इज़ ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद ऑल प्रोनाउंस. इन पास्ट टेंस वी यूज़ हैड इंस्टेड ऑफ हैज़ और हैव. Let's start the activity how we use has, have and had. Here are few sentences of has. He has a new car. उसके पास एक नई गाड़ी है. It shows a possession. She has a big family. उसकी एक बड़ी फैमिली है. It has flower print. इसका प्रिंट जो है वो फूलों वाला है. Number 4, Sana has 2 brothers. सना के 2 भाई हैं. Number 5, the table has 4 legs. मेज़ की 4 टांगे हैं. Number 6, Ali has a blue bag. अली के पास जो है वो नीले रंग का बस्ता है. Now I will tell you how we use have with I, we, you, they and plural noun. Number 1, I have a horse. In this, it shows a possession that I have a horse. मेरे पास एक घोड़ा है. Number 2, we have color boxes. हमारे पास color boxes हैं. Number 3, they have a lot of work. उनके पास बहुत सारा काम है. Number 4, girls have colorful pictures. लड़कियों के पास रंगीन तस्वीरें हैं. Number 6, boys have different toys. लड़कों के पास मुख्तलिफ खिलौने हैं. Number 7, you have a kind heart. Number 8, children have enjoyed very much. These are the examples of have. It shows the present tense. Now I will tell you how we use had with these pronouns or he, she, it or singular noun. Number 1, he had a ball. It is about the past tense. He had a ball. उसके पास एक गेंद थी. Number 2, she had a flower. उसके पास एक फूल था. Number 3, they had a big house. उनके पास एक बड़ा घर था. Number 4, they had cars. उनके पास गाड़ियाँ थीं. Hope so it is clear. Let's do an activity to solve filling the blanks, how we use has, have and had in these blanks. Number 1, a spider dash 8 legs. It's about a spider. Spider is a singular noun, so we use here has. A spider has 8 legs. Number 2, I dash 2 pens in my pocket. In this I is a pronoun, so we use here have. We use have with I. I have 2 pens in my pocket. Number 3, she dash curly hairs. In this she is a singular pronoun, also we use here has. She has curly hairs. Number 4, you dash a pretty doll. You have a pretty doll. Number 6, she dash a beautiful smile. She dash a beautiful smile, so we use here has with she. Number 6, he dash lost his pen yesterday. In this tense you can identify that you have to use here had. How? Because at the end of the sentence there is a yesterday. Yesterday shows about the past things. He had lost his pen yesterday. उसने कल अपना पेन खो दिया था. Number 7, Emma dash fun at the party last night. In this also we use had because there is a last night. It is about the past. So we use here Ahmed had fun at the party last night. Number 8, Sarah dash a new toy. So you use here Sarah is a singular noun, so we use here has. It is about the present tense. Sarah has a new toy. Number 9, this bird dash red wings. In this bird is also a singular noun, so we use here has. Number 10, we dash a computer. In this we shows the plural. So many people, so we use here have. We have a computer. Number 11, we dash a big house when I was a kid. So we use here had. How we identify? Because at the end of the part of the sentence there was a was, which indicates that it was about a past tense. So we use here had. We had a big house when I was a kid. Number 12, you dash two dogs. You have two dogs. Hope so it is clear and you are able to identify how you will write the has, have and had in different sentences. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you so much. Take care.